Hare Krishna, dear students. Welcome to the grammar class. In the last class, we learned about adverbs and the different kinds of adverbs. And we also solved an exercise to test our knowledge on the topic. Since we have completed that chapter, we will start a new chapter today. We will be starting chapter number 12, prepositions. So children, do you know what are prepositions? A preposition is a word. It is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands in regard to something else. मतलब कि preposition is a word that tells us something about a noun or a pronoun. Let's look, read and understand. Madhu jumped into the river. Into is placed before a noun and it tells something about Madhu. मतलब it establishes a relationship between Madhu and the river. Madhu कहाँ कूदी? नदी के अंदर कूदी. The word into shows the relation between the act of jumping and the river. The house is behind the tree. The word behind shows the relation between the house and the tree. The jug is on the table. The word on shows the relation between the jug and the table. The duck is in the pond. The word in shows the relation between the duck and the pond. The word into, behind, on and in are placed before nouns or pronouns and they show the relation between these nouns or pronouns and some other words in the sentence. These words are called prepositions. Prepositions include some of the smallest words in the language. But we have to be very careful using them. Our choice of the preposition depends on the relation we want to express. In the following sentences, the jug is on the table, the jug is under the table, the jug is near the table. It is on, under and near that shows the relation between the jug and the table. मतलब prepositions ऐसे word होते हैं जो दो nouns या pronouns के बीच में relation को बताते हैं. Is it clear to you, children? Let's solve an exercise related to the topic. There are two boys standing behind the gate. We waited for you. Okay, what we have to do here is we have to underline the prepositions. Okay, there are two boys standing behind the gate. यहाँ पे preposition क्या है? Behind. मतलब boys कहाँ खड़े हैं? Gate के पीछे खड़े हैं. तो gate और boys में जो relationship establish कर रहा है वो word है behind. We waited for you at the party. Why did you not come? हमने कहाँ wait किया? At the party. So at is the preposition. We should be careful. You should be careful with your toys. किसके साथ careful रहना चाहिए? अपने खिलौनों के साथ. So with is the preposition. Many visitors gathered in front of the Parliament House. कहाँ gather हुए? In front of Parliament House के सामने. Peel the cucumber and chop it into small pieces. कैसे pieces में? Small. तो what is the preposition? Into. Leave the sixth one, children. Just cancel it off. Our new neighbor gently knocked at the door. कहाँ knock किया? Door पे. So at is the preposition. I sent New Year greetings to all my friends. To is the preposition. The dog jumped over the wall and ran away. Over is the preposition. Fuel prices are being increased by ₹2 a litre from tomorrow. So here from is the preposition. Now let's take a look at the next exercise. Underline the prepositions in the following story. So we have a story right here. We have to read it and we have to find out the prepositions. Abraham Lincoln, one of the greatest presidents of the USA, is known all over the world for his politeness. Abraham Lincoln क्यों well known है? For his politeness. So what are the prepositions here? Abraham Lincoln, one of the greatest presidents of the USA, is known all over. All over is a preposition. The world for his politeness. One day Lincoln was riding in is the preposition, his carriage. A poor black man walking along preposition है. The road recognized the president. He took off his hat and bowed in respect. In भी preposition है. Lincoln smiled at preposition है the man and bowed in return. In भी preposition है. A friend of Lincoln was riding with him in preposition है the carriage. He said to भी preposition है him. You are the president of preposition है the country. Why did you bow to a poor Negro? To भी preposition है. I believe that the president must not be less courteous than a Negro. Lincoln replied with भी preposition है a smile. Is it clear to you children? ये exercise हमारी solve हो गई है. Let's look at the next exercise. Uses of some prepositions at, on, in as preposition of time. At, on, in are very often used to denote time. मतलब इनसे हम time को denote करते हैं. That's why they are known as the prepositions of time. Look, read and understand. He went to sleep at night. कब सोने गया? रात में. The Independence Day falls on Monday. The examinations begin on 15th of March. The examinations are held in March. We shall shift to our new house at Diwali. He reached the school at 7 a.m. He returned home at noon. She did her homework in the afternoon. Okay, children, so let's discuss the prepositions of time. Fill in the blanks with at, on, or in. We get festival discount on Diwali. He met me at breakfast. The sun shines brightly in the noon. Our annual examinations are held in March. My father usually comes home late at night. He is going back on Monday. In rainy season, we use umbrellas and raincoats. There is a new TV serial beginning on Friday. India became free on 15th of August 1947. The struggle for independence started first in 1857. Is it clear to all of you? Now look at the next part. In, into, out, out of. Look, read and understand. Ajay jumped into the river. After taking bath, he came out of the river. The water in the river is cold. मतलब कि अजय jumped into the river. वो पानी के अंदर कूदा. After taking bath, he came out of the water of the river. तो वो river से बाहर आया नहाने के बाद. The water in the river is cold. नदी में जो पानी है वो ठंडा है. Let's practice in, into or out of. Fill in the blanks with in, into or out of. I do not like lying dash bed. In bed, said Rinku. I went into the room, but finding it empty, immediately came out of it. In India, people respect their elders. The diver dived deep into the sea. He came out of the water after 2 minutes. Mrs. Yadav's jewelry is lying safely in the locker. The dog fell into the well. Some people took it out of the well. So children, we practiced exercise 12.2 regarding in, into and out of. So before the next class, आप prepositions को एक बार अच्छे से revise करेंगे. एंड जितनी एक्सरसाइजेस हमने आज क्लास में करी हैं यू विल बी सॉल्विंग दोज एक्सरसाइजेस इन योर कॉपी एंड बुक ऑल्सो. ओके, आप बुक में भी सॉल्व करेंगे एंड फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस आप उन एक्सरसाइजेस को कॉपी में भी सॉल्व करेंगे. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. हरे कृष्णा डियर स्टूडेंट्स.